Watch AI create a healthcare billing and payment insights dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We start by importing our healthcare billing data. The file uploads instantly. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the magic happen. Bricks AI is analyzing our data, identifying key patterns in billing amounts, insurance coverage, and patient payments. It's automatically generating multiple visualizations, including provider rankings, payment breakdowns, and monthly trends. The system creates both detailed charts and summary tables to give us comprehensive insights. Our healthcare billing and payment insights dashboard is complete with 5 interactive charts and 2 data tables showing everything from top providers to service type breakdowns. Now we can customize the theme to match our brand. Perfect. Let's switch to presentation mode to see how this looks for stakeholders. In presentation mode, we get a clean, full-screen view that's perfect for meetings and reports. Each visualization is optimized for viewing, with clear titles and easy-to-read formatting. This mode removes all editing controls, giving us a professional dashboard ready for any audience. Back to normal view, we can interact with every element, drill down into data, and make real-time updates. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.